Hi, I'm Seba, founder of Klip Coupons. In this video, I'll show you how to limit the number of times a coupon can be applied to a product in a single order. Now, here we have a coupon that's set to apply a 10% discount on the first snowboard. So in the case that a user adds 5 or 6 products to their cart, it should only apply the discount on the first one. We can try that out here. We'll add 6 snowboards to our cart, for example, add the discount, coupon, and click Add to Cart. As we can see, the coupon is applied only to the first product as we have it set in the coupon, and the other 5 do not get the discount. If you'd like to set this up for your store, head over to the Shopify admin panel, go to Apps, Klip App, and then either select one of your current coupons, or if you're creating a new coupon, under eligibility and target settings. And here we have the setting to set a per product coupon limit for each order. In this case, we set it to 1 and click Save. And that would limit our coupon to the first product in the order. If, for example, we wanted to say 2, we could update it here. And then go to Coupon Design. If you wanted to change the text as well, do that. There we go. And then we'll just say 6 again, add to cart. And then we can see here that the coupon is applied to the first 2 products in the order, and the other products don't get the discount applied. And that's how you add coupon product limits to Klip coupons.